There are many beliefs held by an uncomfortable amount of people that have proven themselves to be underlyingly false. Those who hold these notions dearly oftentimes defend them with self-righteous vigor, hatred, and an observable destruction to the world, their communities, and to their own psyche. Nations divide over these ideas. Families split, spit, and shun for them. People bring forth death because of notions held by the thoughtless. And as like attracts like, the unthinking majority are led by their heart-driven role models, those whose desires amplify their own wishes. You know the ideologies that I speak of. And as one who is part of the critically thinking minority, I say, rather than burning individuals at the stake, let us instead burn the notions of blind hate, meaningless destruction, and falsehoods within our own minds. The death of a notion like that is a beautiful thing, because the remaining null hypothesis will, at worst, leave you apathetic and agnostic. But more commonly, you will discover a newfound mental freedom to ask yourself, as well as others, if other hypotheses would lead to a graded, albeit subjective, quantity of love, life, and truth, intrinsically, altruistically, and more significantly. And if you would like to exercise bringing death to these type of toxic notions in your own mind, and cordially challenge these notions in the minds of others, please do us a giddy and click on that subscribe button and notification bell. And join our group of sea creatures who live in the Notion Ocean. There be a lot of notions out there that should be made to walk the plank length and sent to Davy Jones' locker. Until I see ye in the next video, kumbaya, mother duckers.